Hello, my name is Noah Katz, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can upload a favicon to a WordPress website. We're going to start right away. So, what is a favicon? Favicon stands for favorite icon. It's a small icon next to the title bar. Usually it's the logo of the company or a small part of the logo, because a favicon is quite small. It's really important to upload your own favicon because it's the first thing customers will see from your website. Also, when somebody's putting your website to their bookmark, your favicon will be shown. The size of the favicon is 16 by 16 pixels, quite small. In this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your own favicon, and before that how you can create one. For this example I'm going to show you how you can create a favicon for a boating website. For a client of ours, a boating company, we created the favicon the same way I'm going to show you right now. We go to a website called favicon.io. Then we click on generate from image, and here drag your file or click here to upload. We're going to click one time, and then here is the normal image. It can be any image available on your hard disk. We double click. And then here you see the preview, how it's going to be shown on your website. And then we do download. Then a zip file will be downloaded to your hard disk. Then we open it. And here you see all the different kind of favicons. We need the favicon 16 by 16 PNG file. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to the WordPress website. We go to the back office. And on this website the Astra theme is installed. So what we do, we go to appearance, but mostly of all the themes that are installed in WordPress, it's almost the same way. So we're going to go to appearance, then customize, then we go to layout, header, site identity, and then we scroll down to site icon, select site icon. Now we upload a normal file. So we go to the same file as we just told you, the favicon 16 by 16 PNG. Double click. We're going to click select, then skip cropping. We don't need that. Boom, and then publish. And then here on the top you see the new favicon. It's very easy to do. I'm going to do it one more time. We're going to go to favicon.io. Generate from image, double click, go to the file that you want to use as a favicon, boat, download, open the file, check if the favicon is here, 16 by 16, go to your WordPress website, go to appearance, customize, layout, header, site identity. Click on remove for this time, select the icon, upload your image, go to favicon 16 by 16, click on select, skip cropping, and publish. That's it. That's how easy it is. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time. This is my third video on YouTube. If you have any tips or tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.